Jersey have the official outfitter of the 2025 Star Magic All-Star Games. Moulton Basketball, the official basketball of the 2025 Star Magic All-Star Games.
Maraming salamat din sa Awards Extreme Inc., JCP Prince, Vika Fan Support, Beanie Station, Hotel Sogo, Yellow Elephant, the official photographer and videographers of this year's Star Magic All-Star Game, and Aquasuite.
It was such an intense and fun Sunday with all of you guys. Kudos to all of our Star Magic artists, sa lahat na naging players natin, sa lahat ng mga sumuporta. Thank you for your sportsmanship today. And of course, thank you to our courtside reporter, Ayana Petlas, our Star Patroller na nakasayakin sa atin tonight, MJ Felipe, and to our anchors, Anton Rojas, Jamie La Victoria, Mix Bustos, and Richie Rivero. Maraming salamat.
Yes, and thank you and congratulations everyone. Again, I'm Robbie Jersey.
We will see you again next year. This is John Garcia.
And I'm Aida de la Cruz. Thank you, mga kapamilya. This has been the 2025 Star Magic All-Star
For all our athletes that attended this game. A round of applause please for all our athletes one more time. And since tapos na tayo mag-volleyball, Ate Ai, baka pwede mo naman kami samahan dito ulit. Congratulations on the win.
Congrats, Ate Ai.
How does it feel, Ate Ai, na nanalo kayo, you got the win, and then now you have to go back hosting?
Sobrang napagod ako, guys. So, pinagpawisan ako. Maraming salamat po. But really, it was a team effort. Gusto ko man i-claim na dahil sa akin nanalo kami. Hindi talaga. It was a team effort. Pero sana po, happy ang lahat dahil pinaghirapan talaga ng lahat ng players to. 3 months kami nag-train for this. Kaya ganun yung nakita yung performance. Diba? Isip mo ba si Fiang Smith? Diba? Nag-spike, sir. Naging Rookie of the Year pa. Yung mga favorite stars natin na hindi natin nakita naglalaro. Dito lang sa Star Magic All-Star Games na witness natin kung gaano sila ka-talented and iba pa yung mga pinakita nilang sides today. So, thank you very much everyone. Marami pa tayong inihanda para sa lahat. At this point, we want to take this chance and thank our very generous sponsors and partners for making this event possible. Maraming salamat po, GCash. Mas malayo makarating ng araw-araw na tiyaga dahil kaya pala sa GCash. Leon Beer, bangis ng sarap, bangis ng kagat. Tikman na ang bagong Leon Extra Strong Beer. Bangis ng sarap, bangis ng kagat at 7% ABV. Available na sa mga suking tindahan. Cobra, swab and energy with the new Cobra Rise with less sugar, less caffeine, and bursting with blue cola and lemon blast flavor. Jollibee! Sa Jollibee, vida ang saya!
We'd also like to give a special thank you to Shein for endless finds at affordable prices, so you can get more of what you really love. Download the Shein app now, and Dunkin', anytime is Dunkin' time. Summit, rise to the summit, fuel your peak with Summit Natural Drinking Water, the right hydration and the right mineral. Care Center Clinic, get the expert care that you deserve. Care Center Clinic is located at Gateway Mall and Festival Mall.
Thank you also to Mikasa Volleyball, the official volleyball of the 2025 Star Magic All-Star Games, Awards Extreme Inc., JCP Prince, Vika Fan Support, Beanie Station, Hotel Sogo, and Yellow Elephant, the official photographer and videographer of this year's Star Magic All-Star Games. Now, Ate Ai, Jared, there are 2 games now, but a lot more events for the fans
Yes.
ang mangyayari. So we are now turning you guys over to Ayana Perlas and MJ Felipe kasama ang Trauma from the I Want series, Love at First Sight. Okay?
Mamaya makikita natin sila. Kitang-kita naman natin dito sa Araneta yung napakalaking volleyball over there. Kita natin talaga na yung players kanina ng Love at First Spike. Totoong volleyball players, di ba? Sobrang galing. Part pa ng Mythical 6 natin ang kanilang lead. And you know, kanina rin sa men's volleyball, nakita natin they were really playing their hearts out. At saktong-sakto because Love at First Spike is now streaming on iWant. So excited na ba kayong makilala sila?
Yeah, so guys, don't forget to download the iWant app and watch Love at First Sight.
And guys, also do not forget anything you post on all social media platforms. Please feel free to use the hashtag AllStarGames2025 para makita rin namin yung mga posts nyo.
Yes, thank you naman ang official account ng Star Magic at Star Magic Films. Post about this event, post yung mga pictures, yung mga videos, yung mga favorite yung moments. Dahil iba-iba, diba? Siyempre, andun na yung games. May 2 volleyball games tayo, may isang basketball game. And then, meron pa siyempre mga performances na inaabangan ng lahat. So, kanina, nakita na natin si Carmel Collado, kumanta siya ng Philippine National Anthem. Ang galing, diba?
Sobrang galing ng boses ni Ate Ai. Sino pa mag-perform kaya ngayon?
Actually, si Carmel Collado, meron din siyang performance mamaya. And of course, ang Nation's Girl Group, BD! And of course, marami pang iba. Pero sa ngayon, I think pwede na natin kausapin ang ating mga Tropa Beats dyan. Hello guys, how are you?
Thank you, Ai, Robbie, and Jared with your British accent.
Sampol dyan, MJ, pasampol.
Drinking water. Ni Jared. Okay, kasama natin ngayon, Team Love at First Sight! We have Ong, Minsoy, Dylan, Rain, dalawang Rain, Emilio, and River. Hello guys, balita ko meron ko kayong pakulong para sa atin dito.
Araneta! Kamusta kayo? Maraming salamat sa pagpunta niyo dito. So, kasama ko dito si Bong. May paandar lang sa inyo. Okay ba kayo? Yan, maraming salamat. Bong, take it away.
Yes, hello, what's up, Araneta? Okay, may gagawin po kami. Sasabihan ako ng ano ha, ng aking castmates. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Beers, Beyonce. Ganen. Araneta, napanood niyo na ba ang latest episode ng Love at First Sight?
Ano? Di ko narinig! Nanood ba kayo? Wala.
Nanood ba kayo, Araneta?
Yan! Yan!
Kaya naman para maramdaman namin ang suporta niya sa Love at First Fight, meron po kami papaikutin ng bola!
Yes!
Araneta, ayan na!
Go!
Punta siya!
Go! Magsa-start po tayo sa kanan hanggang sa kaliwa. And syempre, para feel na feel yung support, huwag ilalaglag yung bola, guys! Yes!
Yes! At reminder sa ating safety! Wait for your turn lang and passing the ball! Yes! Have fun and don't drop the ball! Let's go! Go! Kailangan paikot yan dito! Paikot! Go!
Yes! Okay, go River!
Araneta! Nag-enjoy ba kayo? Para mas mag-enjoy kayo, block out your Fridays at 8 p.m. at mag-binge watch na ng Labs. Yes, we are already on our 5th episode. So maraming salamat sa lahat ng nanonood ng Love at First Sight. Maraming kaming mga pakulong, so please stay tuned every Friday 8 p.m. If you want to watch, just download the iWant app or visit the website iWantPFC.com.
Okay.
Alright!
Panoorin ang pumapalo sa kilig, tumatalon sa saya at bumubulong sa gigil ng episodes ng Love at First Sight every Friday, 8
kausapin naman dito, right here!
Araneta, sino dito ang mga PBB Collab fans? Ayun!
Eto na, ang ating PBB Collab housemates. Meron silang regalo sa lahat ng kanilang mga fans. Pero bago yan, batiin niyo muna yung mga fans dito sa Big Dome. Dustin, Dusmia muna, Dusmia.
Dusmia! Hello, everyone!
Hi, everyone!
Hello, everyone!
Okay, go, Sai. Hello po, good evening, everyone! AZ! Hi, everyone!
What's up, Araneta? Hello, Araneta! What's up, Araneta? Araneta, what's up?
Thank you so much sa ating PBB Collab housemates. Pero syempre, alam naman natin, meron kayong concert. Kaya go ahead.
Dustin will give us details about the concert.
Yes, mga kapuso at mga kapamilya, magkita-kita po tayo dito sa August 10 para sa Big Collab Concert.
Dahil tuloy pa rin ang collab dito sa Outside World.
Maraming po kami hinanda para sa inyong lahat. So huwag na huwag kayong mawawala.
Kaya naman, para sa mga hindi pa nakasecure ng seats nila, get your tickets now! Available po yan sa ticketnet.com.ph. Gusto ko malaman, ano ba yung mga prods ninyo? Oy, itis nyo naman. Oo, ano yung kakantahin mo, River?
Kakanta si Bianca, kakanta si Elfie, at sasayaw si Emilio.
Pasample naman! Sample! Sample! Sample!
Bili muna ng tickets.
Bianca, sample naman ng isang kanta dyan.
Dustin, Bianca,
Kanta!
Kanta.
Kanta! Isa lang!
Sige, ano daw?
Come on, Bianca.
Sige, sample? Oh my God, kakanta tayo?
Isang line lang!
Wala na ba? Say na. Hindi na ba?
Yan!
Dustin! Dustin! Dustin!
Dustin! Ano na sa Augustine yan? Go, Pops!
Yay! Okay, last naman. Si Ralph, go. May sample ka ba?
Yan, yan.
AZ, do it!
Umuwi ka na, baby.
Yeah!
Ako sanay nang wala ka. Okay na.
Okay na. Abangan
Teaser
na
pa lang yun, ha? Teaser pa lang. So, get your tickets now. Kailan ulit? August 10. Alright. Maraming salamat. Very exciting ang mga ganap, di ba, Ayana?
Yes, of course. Kaya naman, thank you so much to our, once again, PBB Collab housemates. Palakpakan po natin sila. Araneta. Ngayon, syempre, mamaya makikita ulit natin si Emilio and si River sa ating basketball game.
They need to change.
Yes, kaya ngayon, mag-warm up na kayo, Emilio and River.
Alright! Tuloy-tuloy lang ang excitement right here sa The Big Dome dahil inaabangan na Ayana ang rematch ng Star Magic Shooting Stars versus
Unbelievable!
Team Hot TV!
Sila din ang mga Team Payaman! Alright, ulit. Once again, thank you so much to our PBB.
Thank you guys! Maraming salamat!
Yes.
Good meeting all of you and see you on August 10
Yeah.
right here at The Big Dome.